Welcome to the vlog.
So,
We're in line for egg slut right now. The line's really long.
social distancing. I got a Fairfax with avocado, with bacon added. It has sriracha, egg, cheese. It looks delicious.
We got the same thing, but I got mine without avocado.
Really good.
And I just added bacon. So,
Bread is like super
yeah.
soft.
What do you think?
The bread is like super soft. Bacon's crispy and crunchy. That's the way I like it.
It's really good. It's nice and fluffy. The eggs are perfect. The chives give it a good flavor. And the cheese is nice and melty. I would definitely recommend eggs. We're walking to get some alcohol-infused ice cream. I saw this on TikTok actually. So we're gonna go try it and I'll show you guys. I'll let you know how it tastes and how it goes. But we were just at the Cosmo and it's all the way at Caesars and it's hot outside. So we're trying to like get there stat. It's so funny.
We're gonna get some Fat Tuesday after as well.
Oh yeah, he's been wanting a Fat Tuesday, so when in Vegas. So the ice cream place was closed. Major fail. They just don't open till later, so we may or may not come back, I don't know. But instead we got a Fat Tuesday.
Yeah.
Fat Tuesday just reminds me of like barely being 21. So anyway, now we're just walking. I don't know where we're going, but we'll update you when we're doing something more exciting.
5 hours later.
Right here with my boo. Look at that fat. Thomas rug. We're about to go get some smashed pig. We tried going to some other place, but they were way too packed and shit. And we came unprepared, so now we're going to some place called the Smashed Pig. And it looks just as good, so she's ready, I'm ready.
Where are we?
We are at the Smashed Pig.
It's so bright.
I know.
We just ordered some bacon wrapped peppers and we're gonna try them.
It'll be hot. We're gonna get some cauliflower as well. I'm back with the noodles.
What's the verdict? Okay, so the peppers were kind of spicy. Not bad, they're good. But I ordered my drink. Look at how it came. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. What did you get?
I got the Smashed Pig.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what's in it.
I forgot what this was called, but it's so cute. This is so weird.
I got the cubano. I got the cubano. Look how delicious it looks. With some fries and ketchup and ranch.
Good?
Wow.
We got this cauliflower. It looks delicious. So we're about to dive in.
What'd you get?
The fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Dip it in the tartar sauce. It's really hot. Take a bite.
Pretty hot.
It's hot.
Good?
Spicy, but it's good.
A little spicy? It's good. Everybody likes a little bit of spice.
The cauliflower is like perfectly cooked.
It's what?
Perfectly cooked and perfectly roasted.
I'm about to dive in.
Later that same evening.
So we're off to get some dessert. I don't know what the place is called, but we just walked through Fremont Street and it was an experience. It was so loud, so many people. Like, it should be illegal to be there because there's no such thing as social distancing at Fremont Street. So yeah, but now we're leaving. So we'll update you guys soon. So we made it to a cute little dessert place. It's called Is Sweet. Okay, so this is the red velvet crepe cake.
And here comes the tiramisu.
It comes in layers. Looks good. Thank you. And this is the tiramisu. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Okay. He's gonna taste it. Yeah, I think it's Nutella.
Wow. That's actually pretty fucking good. You see that reaction, guys? That's when you know it's good.
This fork is so tiny.
Yeah, it's so cute. Okay, this is a tiramisu, guys.
I love tiramisu, so it's
You guys know it's good when you guys see the eye roll.
It's so fluffy and light.
Holy shit. That's really freaking good. What's up? We're at the Eggs and I. So we're at the Eggs and I. Apparently it's a really good breakfast spot here in Vegas. It's off some street, I don't know. But it looks delicious.
I already took a bite of this, but this is the banana nut muffin. Is it gonna focus? And it's so good. It's got like chocolate chips and it's like warm. So I got an omelet, the Denver omelet. What did you get?
I got the Santa Cruz skillet over medium eggs, sour cream,
It's got like sour cream.
and chorizo, and some sourdough.
What about you?
But it's good. I don't know what the sauce is, like the waiter told me. He doesn't even know what sauce it is, but it's really good.